This class is focusing on creating strong core without compressing or straining your spine. We will focus on stability versus intensity. We will learn to use breath to build strength. Let's begin. Starting standing in a standing position, allowing yourself to shift your weight over your feet, over the heels, and getting this feedback of how it feels to stand straight with the ankles, knees, hips, and shoulders lining up and communicating with each other. Bring your arms to the side, open the chest, roll the shoulders up, and drop them down so that the chest is open, chin parallel to the floor, lifting through the crown of the head. Spread or wiggle your toes, spread them open, making sure that your feet are active and activated. Everything starts from the foundation. And we're going to take 3 moderately deep breaths, nothing crazy, with focusing on longer exhalation. Slightly shorter inhalation so that we can regulate the nervous system. Begin. Great. For the first exercise, we are going to open the arms out and we're going to cross the right arm towards the left knee, lift the knee and bring it back. Focus on stability here. Continue. Great. Bring the hands overhead and we're gonna bring opposite elbow to knee, marching. Without flaring the rib cage. Excellent. From here, we are going to come down to the ground onto all fours. Pull the belly in and allow your corset to zip in. So belly pulls in, the spine is neutral and your lower belly begins to lift, to contract, to flex. The rib cage is not flaring. You're in a way, I like to describe it as zipping up the corset. Your connective tissue zips up, zips in. And release. So try a few times, and because this is subtle, if you don't get it the first time, don't worry, just keep joining the classes because your awareness of the body and your awakening of the muscles will happen. You're going to pull the belly in, draw the lower belly up, draw the navel slightly towards the spine, and gently contract the core. Beautiful. Let's lay all the way down. onto the belly, and we're gonna take a big breath in, allowing the ribcage to push into the floor. Two more deep, nice diaphragmatic breaths. Really fill up your lungs. Excellent. From here, you're gonna bring your hands underneath by your rib cage, underneath your elbows, and push up. Great. Let's sit down onto our bums, and you're gonna lean slightly back onto your arms without locking the arms, and we're going to bring our feet in front of us, legs in front of us. Here we're gonna gently begin to glide the right heel away from us and gently towards us. And allow this very gentle but very powerful move to awaken your lower belly. Keep your chest open. This one move can give you a super core if fully utilized. And change sides. Great. From here, we're gonna lay down onto our backs and bring the feet parallel to each other. Come up into bridge, lifting the legs, lifting the bum off the ground, feet directly forward. And here we're going to lift one leg and lift the other. Marches, bridge marches. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great. Hold it here. Push the hips up and hold. Lift a little higher. And release slowly. Bring the left knee and the right arm up, and here you're going to extend the left leg and the right arm overhead, left leg extends. It can be a little higher for a little easier and a little lower to make it a little more difficult. And lift them back up. 1. Hold your belly maybe with the other hand. 2. 3. 4. And 5. Change sides. 1. Stabilize the hips so nothing is swaying and swinging. 2, 3, 4, 5. Lay down and bring your feet back down and bring your hands onto your belly. Inhale into your belly. And very slowly exhale. One more time. All right, the superstar of All exercises today will be the same heel glides, only in supine position. We're going to lower the lower back down on the ground, full contact with the floor. Right foot on the floor and the left heel will glide away from us and towards us, engaging the entire lower belly. Everything below the belly button is engaged, and all the way up to the upper belly is engaged. Slow heel glides. And change sides. This activates your core connection, even if it has been asleep for many years. Focus and keep coming back to this class. If you are unsure, you will get there. Excellent. All right. And come back up to all fours. And we're going to take a breath in. And as we exhale, we're going to zip up the corset one more time. Flex the belly, pull everything in and up. Inhale one more time. Corset zip up, so to speak. Exhale and draw everything in and up. Should we do it one more time? Let's go. Beautiful. And we are done for today. Let yourself integrate the most from today's class so that you create a deeper connection to your body and to your muscles, and come back to the next class, because we'll progressively build upon these classes. These are foundational classes, and you're going to build slowly upon this foundation. So I'll see you with the next class. Thanks for joining me.